Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: Silverbullet CLI installed and a supported runtime. Once confirmed, create a minimal config. YAML in // Silverbullet /config or point SB config to your folder. Next, initialize a profile block with a repo, branch, and secret references so the tool knows where to pull templates. While doing this, verify file permissions and that your secrets manager is reachable. Make sure to use clear names so you don't confuse profiles later. Once the base config exists, you add your templates and variable sources. You should place templates in templates/ and use familiar extensions like SB or TMPL, then list them in manifest. YAML to map input to output paths. Define vars. YAML with environment, file, or prompt-backed values. You do this so templates can render deterministically. While editing, test a single template render locally to validate variable interpolation and transformations before running a full generation pass. You finish by running SB generate with your chosen profile and reviewing the out/ folder for expected files. If things look good, run SBLint and SBDiff to catch subtler issues like missing variables or incorrect transformations. If generation fails, enable verbose and rerun to get detailed logs. Then check YAML syntax, secret access, and that template paths match manifest entries. One troubleshooting tip: switching to a single template and mock variables isolates the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.